There's a sky. We can smile at everybody running by, and we won't have to hurry, and we won't have to care, 'cause we got all we ever wanted here. No, we won't have to hurry, and we won't have to care, 'cause we got all we ever wanted here. Would you go? Would you go? Would you go out walking with me in the snow? There's a moon, there's a sky. We can smile at everybody running by, and we won't have to hurry, and we won't have to care, 'cause we got all we ever wanted here. No, we won't have to hurry, and we won't have to care, 'cause we got all we ever wanted here.
So we're in, what city are we in?
This is Avery Island.
Avery
Louisiana.
Island.
It's its own thing.
It's its own thing.
Avery Island actually has its own post office.
We just seen that.
Yeah.
It was covered in vines.
Yeah.
But we're at the Tabasco Factory.
It's a factory.
Very cool, very cool. If you're in the area, you got to check it out. I like Tabasco. This wouldn't be classified as barbecue sauce.
No.
But it's equally a staple for me. I love Tabasco.
It's a staple.
I eat Tabasco on everything.
Yeah. Oh, it's great on eggs.
And it's hot.
It is. It's
I'm not talking about it. I'm talking about the temperature here.
Oh, it's very hot. It's
Hot.
sweating.
So, you guys got to check it out. Oh, wow.
Isn't that good? But my favorite is right here, which is the raspberry chipotle pepper sauce.
Why'd that make
Ice
me
cream.
sneeze? This one right here?
And yeah, Derek's
Okay.
gonna try that one. Now that one is my favorite, guys.
What is it again?
This is the raspberry chipotle pepper sauce ice cream.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that good?
That's really good.
Yeah, very tasty. We are here at the Tabasco gift shop.
Wow. what
And
are
now they
these?
have sodas. This is Tabasco soda. Now I haven't even tried this one yet. So
Tabasco soda, David.
Tabasco soda.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Try it so I can.
It's great. It's got a
Little kick.
How would you describe it before I try it?
got a little punch at the back end.
Little punch at the back end.
You'll taste it.
Oh, there it is.
There it is.
Right there in the back of the throat.
There it is.
That's really interesting. That's interesting.
Ooh.